Headline inflation during the month of August has fallen within the RBA's target band, but Governor Bullock says this is a temporary reduction and rates will need to remain at 12-year highs for now. Joining me now is our business reporter, Edward Boyd. Ed, most economists believe the RBA will still start cutting rates in 2025.
2025, look, it still feels like a long way off. Look, we've got a group of economists that think February or March next year is when rates will start to be cut by the Reserve Bank. There could be a few rate cuts next year, potentially 3, so maybe 75 basis points in reduction, which would make a big difference to lots of Australians out there with a mortgage or with a business loan that want their interest rate payments to be less. That's the hopeful scenario here. Basically, only one economist at Commonwealth Bank thinks rates will go down in December. On the whole, we've got the Reserve Bank really saying rates need to remain elevated because inflation, while headline number is in the target band, the trimmed mean is a little bit above it. It's at 3.4% and not coming down as quickly as anybody would like. So this is the challenge facing Governor Bullock. Next month, we get the quarterly CPI numbers at the end of October, and they're a much better view on how the market is going, how inflation is moving forward. So we'll get those figures at the end of October, and then there'll be one more board meeting from the Reserve Bank after that to really give us an idea. Two more board meetings from the RBA after those quarterly numbers, and hopefully we'll get better guidance from Governor Bullock then when these temporary blips in inflation, such as the energy rebates, are ironed out.
Yeah, it'll be really interesting to see what she says at that next rate meeting because finally in the target band, but she's like, oh, nope. It's underlying inflation, not headline. Let's look at the Star Casino operator, the Star, I should say. It secured a new $200 million financial rescue package. It could resume trading on the stock market this week.
Yeah, remember, it was suspended basically an entire month ago from the stock market. They didn't lodge their financial reports in time, and a big part of that was they've basically been running out of money. They've got some massive fines that they need to pay to various regulators for wrongdoing in the past. But overnight, they put out a media release basically saying they've secured $200 million. It's a rescue package. There's a lot of details around the funding that aren't being disclosed to the market, but the Star is expected to put out its profit results today. That's in the media release. It says to expect them today, and then we could see them trading on the stock market by tomorrow. They've also got to reply to the New South Wales Independent Casino Commission tomorrow, give their response to the show cause notice. So that's probably taking up a lot of their time at the moment as well. And yeah, they could be trading pretty soon. The share price is close to record lows. It's around 45 cents. It was upwards of $4 or $5 just a few years ago. So the Star's really come down a lot since then. It's got a long way to go to get back on track.